We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a good job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.